Want to keep your Reels performance a mystery? Here's how to hide the share count and focus on creativity over numbers within a few minutes. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to hide share count on Instagram Reels. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Instagram app on your device. If you are not logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the app to navigate to your profile. Tap on the Reels section. Scroll through your Reels and look at the one you would like to adjust. Tap on the specific reel to open it. Once it's open, tap the three-dot menu located in the top right corner of the reel. A list of options will appear, including settings related to your reel. Select Hide Share Counts. After enabling these settings, your reel is now updated and the share count will no longer be visible to your viewers. So this is how to hide share count on Instagram Reels. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.